Chike, come back here. Chike, I am talking to you, Chike. You cannot be walking out on me when what? See, I am. Listen to me, Chike. I don't want to lose it. I don't want to lose it at all because you see this thing you call marriage. I am sick and I am tired of it. What is the meaning of all this? Don't even act so innocent. Listen, don't even make me explode. Because you are nothing but a narcissist. You manipulate me and make it look like I'm the one that has the problem.
Really?
Yes, that's what you keep doing all the time. But I am sick and I am tired of this nonsense you call marriage.
Okay, give me a reason why you're tired of this marriage. Because what is it I'm not doing right?
I do a lot of things. A whole lot of things you are doing there are not right. I am sick and tired of you always telling me, Jennifer, do this, Jennifer, do that, Jennifer, wash the place, Jennifer, cook this food for me, Jennifer, satisfy me on bed, Jennifer, feed the baby, Jennifer, feed the gate man, Jennifer, this, Jennifer, breathe in, Jennifer, breathe out, Jennifer, snooze, Jennifer, fly. I am tired.
What is wrong with you? I'm asking, what? Okay, tell me, what is it I'm not doing right? What is it I'm not doing like a father that I am? Am I not taking care of our daughter? And by the way, you said I asked you to cook. Cook! That you cook for me all the time. Now let me correct you. On the contrary, when you cook, you don't cook for only me, okay? When you cook for yourself. When you cook for our daughter. When you cook for the entire house, okay?
As a chef?
Of course!
No, chef.
I'm just saying you're a chef.
No, I'm a chef.
You're a married woman for crying out loud.
Okay, so because I'm a married woman, I should continue cooking my life out until I slow.
It is part of your duty.
I do not want such stupid tacky-wacky marriage anymore. Mom, I don't need it.
Mom, please stop. Dad, please.
Just go inside, okay? That will be right there with you. Alright? You see,
I guess you're happy now. Are you happy now?
Are you happy too?
Are you happy?
Look at what you've caused!
Keep showing her how
Screaming and shouting in front of your daughter!
You are a beast!
Jennifer, you!
Listen, if you continue like this, I am going to leave this house for you, and this tacky-wacky marriage you call, this hole that you call a marriage, I will leave it for you. You better fix yourself! Jennifer this, Jennifer that, Jennifer bullshit. Fucking a catalog. Wow, how are you even knocking? Eh? Why are you looking at me like that? So you're right that came back from Fog and you come and
take your hands off me.
I'm dead. Okay.
Jennifer, where are you coming from? So you are stinking of alcohol.
Hey. Baby. You need to see. You drank. It was a drinking competition. I finished everything. Oh! Baby, I showed them. Finish everything.
Hey, don't throw up. Don't throw up my sitting room. Please.
It's coming, huh?
It's coming. What's coming? Come hold it.
Oh!
Hold it! Hold it! What's that? Oh, yeah, stand up, stand up. Let's go to the room. You are just a disgrace. I don't know what to do again.
Carry me romantically.
Hey.
How Gani is this one?
Romantically. You know what you're even doing. Let's go inside the room. If you want to throw up, go and throw up on the sink.
Seriously, I don't understand what you're saying. No, what are you trying to say, Chike?
What I'm trying to say is that you are a married woman, okay? A mother at that, okay? It is very shameful that you have refused to drop this ugly attitude of yours.
So what are you trying to say? So for the fact that I'm a married woman, or for the fact that I'm a mother, I should no longer live my life the way it suits me, right?
Not in this house.
Please, Chike!
Not in this
I am
house!
begging you, let me have peace of mind.
What peace of mind?
Let me be, please.
You have to stop clubbing, okay? Quit clubbing, and you have to detach yourself from those friends of yours that have bad characters. Yes!
Now I need to understand it. Is that the color of your teeth? Or you're just high?
Can you imagine the way you be talking to me? Your husband?
What stupid husband are you talking about?
All this started since you
now
started following those friends.
Listen to me, Oga, listen to me. My friends and I, we are undetachable. Yes, we are best of a feather. So instead of me to detach myself from them, I rather quit this nonsense you call marriage.
What did you just say?
I said I rather quit.
You prefer to quit your marriage than to leave your friends with bad character. Is that what you're saying? Not in this life. Jennifer, I'm telling you, not in this life.
Listen,
you will detach yourself from them.
Listen, it is very obvious to me that you do not want me to stay in this room with you. You see this atmosphere, it is no longer working with my skin and everything about me, please. I need peace. I need to go somewhere, receive some fresh air. Stop this nagging, you're not a woman.
Jennifer, don't open that door. Sit there.
For what?
We have to talk about this once and for all.
I refuse to sit down with a man who is as good as a jobless lunatic. I will not do that. I will not sit my tacky-wacky ass on this seat. I will not do that. I won't sit down.
Did you just say that to me?
I said I will not sit my tacky ass.
Did you just say that to me?
I will do that. We go.
Jennifer, come here. Jennifer, I'm calling you. Come here.
Bon appetit. Enjoy your meal.
Babe?
Yes. What is it?
I thought I asked you to make rice and stew for me. Why noodles? What is this?
I don't understand.
What don't you understand? I crave rice and stew. I asked you to prepare rice and stew for me for lunch, and you brought noodles. What's the meaning of this?
Chike, why are you like this? No, why are you like this? Why are you always like this? What is the difference now between those noodles and rice? What is the difference?
Mommy, I want rice and stew.
Oh, shit. The last time I checked, it was only your father that paid for my dowry before giving birth to you. You don't talk when I'm talking with your father. Now, table manners, eat your food. You see what you've caused now? You always like complaining about everything. Eventually, everything that I do in this house, you must complain about it.
Are you for real?
No, I'm for fake. I'm not for real, I'm for fake. Can't you see that I'm designing fake? Can't you see I'm wearing fake? Oh. I was the only one standing in that kitchen with my long ostrich legs. I cut carrots, I cut the green beans, I cut the onions. Other men will come into the kitchen and help their wives to cut something. But no! You sat your tacky-wacky ass here with your coconut head, expecting me to come and kill myself for you. Listen, if you don't want to eat this food, just couple it back, let me take it back, sir. Couple it. What is all this? Come back. Name, Mingle. You too, give me it. Don't want to eat it. What is this? What a fucking ankara. And I saw that. You don't want to eat food, you leave it. Don't stress my life. What is this? Chike, come back here. Chike, I am talking to you, Chike. You cannot be walking out on me when listen to me, Chike. I don't want to lose it. I don't want to lose it at all because you see this thing you call marriage. I am sick and I am tired of it. What is the meaning of all this? Don't even act so innocent. Listen, don't even make me explode. Because you are nothing but a narcissist. You manipulate me and make it look like I'm the one that has the problem.
Really?
Yes, that's what you keep doing all the time. But I am sick and I am tired of this nonsense you call marriage.
Okay, give me a reason why you're tired of this marriage. Because what is it I'm not doing right?
I do a lot of things. A whole lot of things you are doing there are not right. I am sick and tired of you always telling me, Jennifer, do this, Jennifer, do that, Jennifer, wash the place, Jennifer, cook this food for me, Jennifer, satisfy me on bed, Jennifer, feed the baby, Jennifer, feed the gate man, Jennifer, this, Jennifer, breathe in, Jennifer, breathe out, Jennifer, snooze. Jennifer, fly. I am tired.
What is wrong with you? I'm asking what? Okay, tell me, what is it I'm not doing right? What is it I'm not doing like a father that I am? Am I not taking care of our daughter? And by the way, you said I asked you to cook. Cook! That you cook for me all the time. Now let me correct you. On the contrary, when you cook, you don't cook for only me, okay? When you cook for yourself. When you cook for our daughter. When you cook for the entire house, okay?
As a chef?
Of course!
No, chef.
I'm just saying you're a chef.
No, I'm a chef.
You're a married woman for crying out loud.
Okay, so because I'm a married woman, I should continue cooking my life out until I slow.
It is part of your duty.
I do not want such stupid tacky-wacky marriage anymore.
Mom,
I don't need it.
Mom, please stop. Dad, please.
Just go inside, okay? That will be right there with you. Alright? You see
I
what
guess
you
you're
caused?
happy now. Are you happy now?
Are you happy too?
Are you happy?
Look at what you've caused!
Keep showing her how
Screaming
much
and
of a
shouting
beast
in front
that
of your daughter.
You are a beast.
Jennifer, you!
Listen, if you continue like this, I am going to leave this house for you, and this tacky-wacky marriage you call, this hole that you call a marriage, I will leave it for you. You better fix yourself. Jennifer this, Jennifer that, Jennifer bullshit. Fucking a catalog.
Okay, now 6 5 for daddy, 6 here, and 5 here there. Okay, just like this. Okay, what's the meaning of this?
What's the meaning of what? Are you blind?
I mean, what's the meaning of? Where are you going with the luggage?
As you can see, I am leaving this house. Leaving this thing you call marriage. I am leaving it. It's very simple.
Mom, please don't leave me. I love you. Don't love you. Please, Mommy.
Baby girl, you love me, no doubt. As for this coconut head, this man standing right in front of me, I don't think so. And I promise you, baby, I will always come to see you. Okay? I promise you. I will always come and see you. Don't miss me too much. Okay? I just have to go. I'm sorry.
And you think that's going to work? Just... Can you even imagine the amount of psychological torture you're giving to this little girl?
Oh, please shut your trap and stop making it look like I'm the one at fault here.
Mom, please.
I'm sorry, baby. I have to go.
Mom, please.
Jennifer.
Wetin go make madam leave oga and pikin for this house like this? This woman sef. Look, I chop my bread and okay. Who be that? Who be that? Madam. Madam. Madam, welcome.
Your voice.
Yes, madam.
It's okay.
Yes, it's inside. Madam. In the inside.
Take the bag inside. Make sure you don't tell him that I came back.
Yes, madam.
I'll be coming back soon.
Are you?
is really bothering me and that's why I'm here.
What is it?
Mama, it's about my husband. What happened? Mama, I want to kill him.
Huh? You mean you want your husband dead?
Mama, listen. This is a very serious matter.
Stop that. He's your husband.
Mama, he's not my husband. A man that treats me the way he does can never be my husband. Like I said, I hate him.
Hey. You mean you want to kill your husband?
Mama, he can't be my husband. Any man that treats me the way he does can never be my husband. Mama, you're the only one I can share my thoughts with, and that's why I'm here. I can't carry this out without your help. Please. Please, Mama.
Why should she have such thoughts in her mind? I know my daughter. Once she has told me about it, she will definitely go ahead and do it. Yes.
Mama, are you okay?
I heard you, my daughter.
I just told you something. You're not saying anything about it.
I heard you perfectly.
Say something now, Mama.
Don't worry, I will do it. Oh, I will do something about it. Just wait for me. Let me get something. Oh, wait for me. I'll be back.
Mama, please hurry up.
Ah. Wait. Just wait for me. I'm coming. Oh.
Mama, it took so much time. Mama.
I'm so sorry about that. Oh. Yeah, Papa. I told you to trust your mom. All your worries gone.
What is this?
You see this thing? It's called slow poison. Yes.
Slow poison?
Yes. Just listen very carefully. Whenever you want to serve your husband food, you apply it small. Oh yeah, sit down, Malan. One more thing. No, one more thing. I still want to tell you something so that you don't make any mistake.
Okay.
When you get him now, first of all, try and make peace with your husband. Reconcile with him. Listen to me. Do not look at me that way. Reconcile with him. Make sure you pamper him like a newborn baby. Serve him special food. Make love to him, that is, as you have never done before. With different styles. Turn it left, turn it right, from back, everywhere.
Because of the Magawa.
Listen to me. Cook special food for him. Let him believe that true you've changed. Small. After you give me the result. Okay. You got to go?
I get the point now. I get the point now. Okay, so that nobody will suspect anything.
Hey, piano. Now you come.
Oh, you're smart. Thank you so much, Mama. Mama, let me start going.
Oh, yeah.
Let me start going. It's alright.
Just calm down. Everything will be okay.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
Jenny, oh, yeah, now. Bye-bye. Oh.
Daddy, I like Jerry.
No, I like Tom.
No, Daddy, I like Tom.
You can like Jerry and Tom at the same time.
You chose one, okay? They are the opposite. They are opposite of each other. So if you love Jerry, Daddy likes Tom. If you like Tom, Daddy likes Jerry. Okay? I'll get the door. Yes, yes, yes. Who's there? Yeah, who's there? Who is there? Yeah, who's...
Hi, baby.
Mom, what do you want to?
I went to see Granny. And I also promised I was going to come back, right?
I'm happy I came back.
Yes, baby. Okay, so, why don't you just go inside and talk to your daddy?
Alright, Mom.
Okay. Please, I'm very sorry. I promise you, baby, I will never disrespect you again. Seriously, baby, see, I can kneel down to let you know how sorry I am.
Stop it.
From the deepest part of my heart, I am sorry.
Jennifer, stop it. Stand up.
Just forgive me.
Yeah, just stand up first, please. Don't kneel for me. I'm not God. Okay?
My husband.
Stand up first. Please.
Are you forgiving me, please?
Yes. I forgive you, okay? There's something that bothers me. I've always wanted to let it out.
Really?
Yes.
What could that be?
Jennifer, I feel so incomplete without you. Please, I want you to be my wife. Will you marry me? Please?
That must be an expensive joke.
No, it's not.
Why are you talking about marriage now? We're still in school.
It doesn't matter. Listen, Jennifer, it doesn't matter, okay? You want me to wait till we finish school? So someone out there will come and ask for your hand in marriage? No. I won't take that risk, okay? I can't risk losing you. Jennifer, please. Please.
Listen, I'm not comfortable with this, seriously. Let's at least get a good job. You know, finish our school, and then we can be able to talk about marriage.
I understand. I understand what you're trying to say, but
And
don't
I'm
worry.
right.
Of course you are, but everything will flow along. Yes, we can get married and be looking for the job. But after graduation, the future will be bright. Don't worry, okay? But please, please, please. My life is incomplete without you.
Okay, fine. I'm going to think about it.
No, it's not about thinking about it right now. I want you to say yes. Please. Please. Please.
Okay. Okay, I said yes. Fine.
That's a yes.
That's a yes.
Oh my goodness. Thank you. Come here. I forgive you.
I won't do it again. I'll never disrespect you again.
It's okay.
I'll adjust to everything. I'll be the best wife you've ever had.
Jennifer. All I ask of you is to be a good wife. A good woman, a good wife to me, and a good mother to Chisom, okay? I want you to have time for family. Is that too much to ask of?
Baby, it's not too much. It's not too much to ask for. You deserve even more than that. I'm sorry, just give me an opportunity to make it up. That's all I'm asking for, please. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm glad you're back. I love you.
I love you too.
It's okay.
Mommy, Daddy, can I watch my cartoon now?
Yes, you can.
Of course, okay? The remote is yours, alright? Just cartoon, okay? Come here.
Wakey, wakey. Hi, baby. Hi, babe. Breakfast is ready. Is the food more?
Breakfast is ready?
Yes, babe. I made your favorite. You woke up late.
Oh, damn. Where's Chisholm?
She's already gone to school.
For real?
Baby. She woke up late.
Oh, damn. It's okay. Thanks for the breakfast, okay?
You're welcome.
Permission to wash my mouth first.
Permission granted.
Babe.
Are you ready for work?
Oh yeah, I am ready for work.
What are you doing with all these clothes?
The dirty, I want to take them to the laundry.
You want to do what?
Take them to the laundry to be washed.
Baby, please. Just give them to me. I'll handle them.
For real?
Yes, babe.
Hey, come on, I don't want to stress you, okay?
Baby, that's not stress. It is my duty. Besides, I can wash them thoroughly, even more than the laundry. So I'll handle it. Anything for my husband.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. So, do you mind coming downstairs because you're really late for work?
Oh, sure. After you. After you, my baby. Yeah. My pretty wife.
Mommy, what was that?
Nothing. Nothing really.
I saw you hiding something.
Oh! Just maybe. It's actually nothing.
You sure?
Yes, I'm very sure.
Mommy, are you hiding something?
No, I'm not,
I
baby.
will go and tell that guy you're hiding something.
Oh, my baby, come on. Mommy is not hiding anything. Listen, this. It's being used to spice up the juice to make it sweeter.
Mommy, I want to drink.
Yes, my baby. I'll make yours immediately after your dad's one. This is not for you. Don't drink it.
Okay.
I made a fresh juice.
Really?
Yes, babe.
Oh.
I like it.
Thank you. I knew you were making it though.
That's not possible. I mean, there was no way you could have known.
I saw you.
No, you did not. I'm sure it was Chisom that told you that gossip.
No, not at all. I saw you making it. I was anticipating it. I was expecting you to serve me this. Thank you.
You saw me?
Mm-hmm. Babe?
Hmm?
You look worried. Are you okay?
Why should I? I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm fine.
So why don't you smile for me? That's my baby. Tastes nice.
I told you.
I like it.
So should I get you more? Because I have lots of it.
Of course, please do.
Okay. I'm coming.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Mom. Yes, Mom, everything is fine. Yes, just the way you instructed. Okay, Mom. Okay. No problem, Mom. Thank you. Okay. Bye. What update are you talking about? Of course he's still alive. I have been doing everything just the way you instructed. I just don't know why he doesn't want to die. Listen, I think the best thing is just for us to end it all. Let us end it once. Hi baby, my honey bunny just came in. Yes, let me talk to my husband.
And
Hi, baby.
what are you doing?
No, I mean, it's Morin was supposed to, sort this girl's issue, actually. In our platform, the group, we created a group.
Oh, really?
Oh my God, the juice. My bad.
Of course, the juice. I was waiting endlessly over there. So I decided to come to see what's keeping the juice.
So sorry. I'll get you another one in a jiffy, okay?
It's okay. I'll be over here.
Okay, baby.
Bye.
God, just shock them again. Shock them again, God.
That's a 6-4.
That's not true.
I thought you said you were going to have.
But I think it's a 6.
Okay, that's good.
I'm baby yours. I think it's a 6. 6.
Okay, that was a mistake. My hand will not touch it. Yeah, it is. Okay, well done.
I'm the
Okay.
I'm the boss.
Okay.
Okay. I just needed one of the angels to just speak to you.
Okay, no problem.
Because you're my husband.
Ah.
You
know what? No matter how you manipulate this game, I'm still going to win.
Babe, start removing my stuff.
Okay. Where are you taking that thing to? My friend, will you take that thing back to this place?
Why? Baby, that's no way it is.
How is that even your house? By the way, you see, you are cheating. It's easy to know. Okay, that's exactly what I needed to win. 5-4, I've won.
Which 5? Hi, God. See?
What?
6-2.
Okay, count your 6-2. Let me see. You know what? If they leave you, you will tell people that you got 7 on the dice. 7. And I don't know if the manufacturers of this game actually put 7 on the dice. Will you take that thing back quickly? That is it. So, game what? Game over.
Okay. You win. No problem. I'm not arguing with you. What is it?
I'm just so happy and fulfilled having the most beautiful woman in the world on earth for a wife. I love you.
I love you too, baby.
Okay. Game over. You sure? Okay. Time to pick Jason up from school.
Oh.
Yeah. Let me rush it. I'll be back soon, okay?
You'll be back from where? You're definitely not going without me. I ain't giving any big child the opportunity to look at my house.
Oh, come on, baby. It's all good. So let's go together.
Okay.
Okay? Come on.
Baby, you can't follow me to your room. Just go back to the room. Okay? To make sure you
Okay. Good morning.
Good morning. Very pleasant surprise.
Yes.
Hey, husband and wife.
Good to see you too, Morin and
Amanda.
You're welcome.
Thank you
You're
so
welcome.
Okay, baby, you guys are already running late.
Yes, we
So,
got to go.
see ya.
Okay, babe.
Mwah. Love you.
I love you too, baby.
Bye, baby. I love you.
I'll take care of your guests.
Okay, baby. I'll miss you so much, so much.
Should I say I'm jealous?
So, Jennifer, hold on. You've actually been lying all along. Because I don't understand what I saw out there. What do you mean what I'm talking about?
Wait, was it because of what you saw out there? Oh, come off it. Come off it now. What were you saying, Morin? That was just a mere act. I was just faking it.
Wait. Have you guys forgotten I'm here? What's happening? Wait, what does she mean by you kissed your husband? Are you not supposed to kiss your husband? And you, Jennifer, what do you mean by Judas kiss? Explain it to me. How?
Amanda, please stay out of this. No. You should just stay out of this.
Why?
Because I didn't involve you in this.
Hey.
I didn't call your name in this. Jennifer.
I just had to act. I was just acting. It was so...
Because you're clearly in love with him. You told me. See, I'm beginning to have trust issues where you are. Honestly. Because you clearly told me that you are no longer in love with this man. And then all of a sudden I saw you kissing and hugging and caressing him.
It
Why?
was acting. It's called acting.
You made it seem real? It's so real.
Well, it has to be real. That's the only way. I mean, an actress can be an actress, right? I was just acting. Just like a director calling a shot and I just didn't do it. That's it. And because I never collect certificate for AGN, I was just acting. I had to make it look real. Do you want him to start suspecting anything?
Are you insane?
You are insane. What is it?
What's your problem?
What's your problem?
Have you forgotten Jennifer is a married woman?
Uh-huh.
Why are you telling her Alhaji is in town?
Is Alhaji not in town?
I don't understand. If Alhaji is in town, are you advising a married woman to go and share her body with Alhaji?
Amanda, Biko, please.
I will not allow you to deceive our friend. What's your problem? Why will you tell her to go and sleep with Alhaji? That's uncalled
I
for.
don't understand. What do you mean by deceive? Is she a baby?
Jennifer, please. I am begging you. Don't listen to Morin. She's only trying to deceive you. Can't you see it?
Jennifer. So, like I said, my darling.
Oh my goodness. Jennifer, if you know what is good for you, stop listening to Morin.
I want to go Oh, my friend. I really have to go now.
Thank you so much for passing by, for coming to my
Anything for you.
Meanwhile, don't forget what I told you. Because I gave Alhaji my word. I told him that you will come. And you have to make yourself available.
Morin, the truth of the matter is that I won't be able to make it. Seriously, because I promised my husband and I don't know how I'm going to be able to... What am I going to tell him? What will I tell him that will make him to leave me to go out by
It's
this time?
okay. Forget about your husband. Forget about that stupid husband of yours. And what stupid promise did you even make to him? I don't understand. I am telling you that Alhaji came back with a lot of goodies. You know Alhaji now. No how we be say you go see and we better million no go fall out. Yes now. There's plenty goodies, you know. Some designers. You know how they be now, babes. You have to go. Sincerely, I told him that you would come. So please, 11 p.m. Tonight.
For complete and make am 12 midnight.
Come on.
Oh my God. My baby. How are you, my princess? Good afternoon, baby. Did you miss me? I missed you too. Mwah.
Someone is here standing, okay?
Ah, so sorry.
How's my angel doing? Come here.
Mwah.
How are you?
I'm fine, baby. So how was your day?
Oh, good. You're all dressed. Are you going out?
Somebody's already jealous. Well, I was actually trying to go to the supermarket so I can be able to stock up the store.
Okay.
Yes, but since you guys are back, I guess I have a whole lot to do.
Well thought.
So how was school today? Okay. So why don't I take you to your room so you shower and then I'll give you your delicious lunch. I made your favorite. So.
Not so fast. I got something. Check it out.
For me?
Go ahead, check it out. Like it?
Yeah, I wear this. What? Thank you so much.
I love you, baby.
Thank you. Mwah. Thank you. I love it. I love him so much. Yeah, okay.
Oh, thank you.
Baby.
You're such a beautiful angel of mine.
Thank you, baby.
Okay.
So, princess, shall we? You need to freshen up.
All right.
So, I'll come back to this.
No problem. Okay. Take off my suit.
Hello, babe. What's up? I'm dressed already. I hope you're getting ready.
John is where I am. I'm at home now. Coming at how? But I told you I can't come out. I can't break the promise. I promised my husband that I'm going to be a changed person. I can't.
Jennifer, please don't even start with this your stupid excuses. What is it again now? What kind of excuse is this? No, please. I'm coming to your gate right now. Dress up and come out. I'm coming to pick you up.
Hello, Morin. Hello?
Please, you better get ready. I won't miss this club. Better get ready. Stop being reluctant. I don't understand.
Jennifer, I know whatever I'm going to say to you now will make no sense to you. But please, I am begging you to listen to me. Jennifer, if you keep on listening to Morin, or whatever she's telling you to do to your husband, I promise you, you will endanger your family. I hope you know that.
What are you talking about? Seriously, what are you saying?
What I'm trying to say is, your husband is a good man. Chike is a wonderful man. I want you to love him, cherish him, appreciate him, and don't break your home. Morin is only trying to put asunder in your marriage. Can't you see it? Don't you have eyes?
The problem I have with all of you is that You guys are being covered up with this, chicken that. You don't want to see, you don't want to feel my pain, you don't see the plight. Are you not seeing that I'm suffering and smiling? Is that what you want for me? I can't continue like this, for goodness sake. I want to be free. Just the way you guys are free. You can do whatever you want to do for yourselves, right? That is what I want for myself. I want to leave this bondage.
You call this management? Suffering and smiling? Is that what you call this? No. Thank God your husband is not broke. He's not a poor man. He's an average man that is doing well and still pushing to do better for himself. Jennifer, Onodugo Adiribwema, you have to listen to me. Do you know how many people? How many ladies who go about fasting and praying for a man like Chike? If I have a man like your husband, Chike, I will gladly marry him. The same thing goes to Morin. She hasn't seen anyone. That is why she's not married. This life we're living, we don't love it. It's just circumstances. It's something we can handle. Please, cherish your man. You wouldn't want your daughter to suffer, would you?
So tell me, did Chike put you up to this? No, obviously. Because make it make sense. Did you by any chance leave everything you're supposed to be doing? Came all the way to my husband's house to come and to tell me on how to appreciate my man. No, make it make sense, because right now I don't understand it. I don't.
Jennifer, I have never had a talk with Chike on this. I only came to you to speak to you heart to heart as a sister. Look, have you forgotten? Jennifer, the same Morin who advised you to throw away your daughter some time ago is the same Morin that is advising you to kill your husband and wreck your home.
How did you get to know this? You mean you knew this all this while and you kept it to yourself? Did you tell anyone?
I did not tell anyone. I never wanted to tell you about it because to me it doesn't matter. I need to protect your interests.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Seriously, I didn't really realize what I was doing. It's just dawned on me that my daughter coming back to me. Thank you for everything. You know, it was you that brought back my daughter the day I came back from work.
How do you mean?
Oh, come on, I'm sure it was you. I mean, there wouldn't have been any other person. The day I came back from work, I saw my daughter right in front of my door. You were the one that brought her back, right? You were the one, right? Baby is crying.
Is that not your baby? How did this happen?
But I told you. I told you somebody was following us that day. I told you. But you will not listen to me.
This child is up to no good. We have to throw this baby away.
You have to do what?
No, because I don't get it.
I came back a few days ago. I was quite busy, but today I took time out to give you a surprise. Whose baby is that?
Amanda, don't tell me you've been the one behind all this. Listen, there is something you're hiding from me. Tell me the truth. What is going on? What are you hiding?
Jennifer, the only truth I will tell you today is to focus on your marriage. Make your marriage work. Every other thing shouldn't bother you. Listen, Morin is only jealous of you. That is why she's giving you such an advice.
Listen, if we should be talking about someone who is jealous of me, from what you just noted me, from all the things you stated here, you are the one. Morin is just after my happiness. She is not jealous of me. She has everything she wants all to herself. Why should she be jealous of me?
Oh, I see.
She's the only one understanding that this shoe hurts, that I need to leave the space. You're not even seeing my plight. You're not even understanding how I'm feeling.
It's alright. I am the one who doesn't want your happiness, right?
That's not what I'm saying.
It's okay, Jennifer. I can read the handwriting on the wall. You don't have to ask me to leave before I leave.
I'll take my leave. That's not what I'm saying, Amanda. Please, let us listen. I was just trying to make you... Amanda! Now?
Babe, what is it?
I don't know, she's just crying.
Why?
What happened?
Baby, what is it?
He killed Daddy.
Who killed Daddy? Nobody's going to kill your daddy.
I'm sure she had a dream.
That must be a very bad one.
Yes. Come on, pretty angel. Listen to me. No one killed Daddy, okay? Daddy's sitting right beside you. So is Mommy, which means you're safe, okay? Hmm? Smart.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm here.
She had a drink. Yeah, please come in. Oh, Amanda.
Hello, sir.
How you doing?
I'm fine. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Sit down, please.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
How is everything?
Oh, everything is fine, just fine.
How about my friend and your daughter?
Oh, they're doing great.
Okay, I was passing by, so I decided to come and say hi to you.
Oh my goodness. That is very thoughtful of you.
It's okay.
Thanks for pulling over.
Yeah.
Yeah, come in.
Hello.
Morin.
Good day, Mr. Chike.
Good day. How you doing?
Fine. I can see you have a guest. You know what? I will just wait outside and when you're done.
Oh, you don't have to. Okay, come on. Have a seat.
No, it's fine. I'll just wait at the reception because I have something really important to discuss with you. So when you're done, okay, just take your time. Take your time.
Morin,
Yes.
you don't need to go and wait at the reception. Yeah, sir, I'm actually on my way out. Yeah, I'm done here, so you can come in and sit.
Oh, okay, that's nice. Great.
Sir, please, when you get home, do say me well to your wife and daughter.
Sure, will.
Have a blessed day, sir.
You too. Thanks
Take
for coming.
care.
Okay, you too.
Bye.
Bye. Excuse me.
Okay.
What is she doing here? I don't get it. What is going on? I always know what I'm thinking. Hey, Amanda.
Here we are.
Hi.
You're welcome to my office, okay?
Oh, thank you.
Welcome.
A drink?
Hmm?
Oh, come on. You shouldn't have. Why?
Say, there's no way you pull over my office without having a drink, okay? So please, manage this.
Oh, you're so sweet. I never knew.
Yeah.
So, I wanted to ask, how about we, go on a date? Like, have lunch? Go have lunch. I mean, it's 1:30. You should be hungry, I believe.
Lunch? Oh well, you're right. I haven't had lunch though. But I was thinking of going home to have one before you came in.
Going home to have lunch? Oh, come on. You mean you do this all the time? Like you go back and forth from your office to your house just to have lunch? Why? No, come on, that's not healthy. Why would you be taking such risk? When you can easily go out with me and eat whatever you want.
Oh, a man gotta do what a man gotta do. I can't compromise any other meal for my wife's food. That's why I go home to have lunch.
But at this point, you're gonna compromise, baby boy. Yeah, you have to.
So you take me out for lunch?
Absolutely. What am I doing?
Okay, if you say so.
Cheers. Oh, you're so cute.
Yes, Halaji. This is 2:30 p.m. He's not even taking my calls. Is everything fine?
Good day, excuse me. Sorry, is your guy around?
No, he's out.
Okay. That lady that was there, did he step out with the lady?
I think so. Like then, anytime you problem.
No. Okay, no problem. I'll come.
I'm not much no single more, baby. Where are you? Baby, where are you? Baby, I can see your shadow. Where are you? Your presence is here, baby. Baby, where are you? Where are you? Come back to me. Years of tears. Where are you? My heart's frozen. Baby. The past came knocking with a truth to reveal. My love's return, my heart revival in your eyes. My heart finds home with you. I'm never alone, baby. Memories of you.
Oh, well, I was quite busy at the office. I had a lot on my table.
I see. What happened to your phone? Because it wasn't going through, and then you did not even bother to call me.
Actually, my phone was on. It's been on. And I guess the network was so poor, I couldn't even make a contact.
So what did you have for lunch?
I had some snacks and a bottle of soft drink. Yes.
I'm not happy with you. Just so you know.
Come, let's go home, baby. Where are you, baby? Come, let's go home, baby. Where are you, baby? Free yourself, make sense to me, baby.
What a date! What a date! What a date! Chike is a true definition of cuteness. I never knew he is this cute and hot.
I can see someone is enjoying this afternoon.
Yes, of
You're
course.
so happy.
I am. happy. Happiness is a choice, so don't you want me to be? My friend.
Morin, what were you doing at Chike's office this afternoon?
Wow. What an interesting question. I mean, I walked in on you there. You were there before me, so reverse should be the case here. What were you doing there in his office?
Morin, I know your plan. You don't want your friend Jennifer to have peace in her home. You don't want her happiness. You don't want her to have peace in her home.
I see. You really don't have anything to say. If you are here to lecture me on what to do and what not to do, you know, I suggest you pick yourself and your bag and get out of here.
Oh, really? Did you just spill that? No, did I hear you well? Oh. Wonder shall never cease. Here you are, advising Jennifer to kill her husband and become a widow and a prostitute. And then you are developing hot pants for the same man. You're nothing but a devil. You are a devil. That is what you are.
Okay. Get out. Get out. Get out of my house.
I will leave your house, but you will not stop me from saying the truth. I know exactly what you're trying to do. But let me remind you, I, Amanda, I will not be alive and watch you ruin our friend's marriage and life.
Get the hell out of my house now.
Look at you. You better repent, else you don't know what is coming for you. I promise you, bet me, you will see it happen.
Why are you telling me all this?
I need you to be careful. I know you like Amanda so much. You see her as a friend, but girl, wake up. See the bigger picture. Amanda is presenting herself to be a good friend, whereas she's a wolf in sheep's clothing.
You wanna know that that's not true. Amanda is our very good friend. I mean, she has always been a good girl all those years.
You calling me a liar? Girl, Amanda got eyes on your husband.
Stop now, Morin. What exactly did Amanda do to you? No, seriously. Because Amanda is not even my husband's spec. My husband that I know will not even blink at Amanda's nakedness. It's not possible. Amanda, my husband. Please, Amanda knows.
Really?
Yes,
You know
really.
what? Relax. Stand up. I need to take you somewhere.
Take me to where exactly?
Come on, let's go. Just so you see for yourself.
Wait, please, I need to make lunch and...
Come with me. I need to take you somewhere. Okay? Relax and come with me. Let's go. Come. Let's go. Let's go.
Yes, Morin. Yes, I'm right in the hotel building. I'm upstairs. What's the room number again? Morin, you're very sure. You're very sure about this. I don't want... Okay, I've heard you. So it's true. Eh? No, so it is true. You have the guts. No, I'm talking, you're even looking at me. So it's true. No, so it is true. It is true. It is true. It is true. I will cry.
Let me explain. Babe.
Come on. Oh my God. So it is true. It's true. I regret my actions. I don't even know why I was wasting time all this while. I would have just killed and wasted chicken the extra time I had the opportunity to.
Did I not tell you? Did I not tell you? But the good thing is, that opportunity is not yet gone. This is the right time to kill him and end everything once and for all.
I don't know why I listened to my mother. I don't know, what was I thinking?
But I told you.
Yes. Go on.
Drop the gun, please. Please. I beg of you. We can talk this over, okay? Morin?
Shut the fuck up and pull the fucking trigger!
If you do, remember, I'm your husband. We both had a baby, okay? If you kill me, our daughter will be fatherless.
I am going to do the exact thing that I should have done a long time ago.
What is it? What is it? Are you okay?
Baby.
What?
Oh my God.
Talk to me.
It was a dream. I told you, you looked so real. I caught you cheating on me with Amanda and I shot you.
You shot me?
I shot you, babe.
In your dream?
Yes.
Oh, come off it. It's just a dream after all. Okay?
Baby, it was very real.
It's okay. It's okay. Just take it easy, alright?
Okay.
Yeah. It's just a dream.
You okay?
I'm fine. See, I'm good. I'm perfectly okay. Alright? It's just a nightmare, alright? You'll be fine.
Hi.
Hello.
Hey, what you doing?
Yeah, how you doing?
I'm okay.
Please sit down.
I want to discuss something really, really important to me.
Okay, so
there is something that I would really want to talk with you.
it's okay. I'm all ears. You can go ahead.
Yeah.
I'm listening.
So the thing is, I might actually sound stupid, but I have been Drowning. Drowning. I have this burning desire to have you. And the more I try to withhold, the more I try to push back, the more it creeps in, the more I try to withhold, the more I go deeper and deeper and deeper. Chicken, I am in love with you. I am really in love with you.
Stop it. Morin, are you aware you're talking to your friend's husband?
Love is blind, they say. Are you planning to spill? If you don't spill, there is no way she's gonna hear. Trust me, I am one hell of a secretive girl you can never have.
I thought you said please.
Mama, please. Mama, I am begging you in the name of God. I beg you with everything that you hold sacred. I don't want my husband dead anymore. I don't want him dead anymore. I don't want to kill him anymore, Mama. Please.
You mean you don't want your husband to be dead again?
I don't want to kill him again. I've changed my mind. I don't want to kill him again, Mama. Please help me. Pico.
Eh?
Yes.
Yeah. What if the poison has no remedy?
Mama, it will have remedy. Stop saying this thing now. Mama, you were the one that went to collect this poison. You can be able to still go back to that place and collect the poison again. Because Mama, this is not a smiling matter. I don't want to lose my husband one bit.
Calm down, my daughter, calm down. Well, nothing will happen to your husband.
What are you saying, Mama? It's just remaining today's own. If I put the remaining poison for this evening, it's finished.
Ogu?
Ogu, no. And he will die. And he will die.
Don't worry, calm down. Stop crying. Eh? Okay? Nothing will happen to your husband. Your husband is safe.
Mama, my husband is not safe.
In fact, let me just shock you. There's nothing like poison in your husband's body. Yes.
I don't understand. What are you saying, Mama?
There's nothing like poison in his body. Yes, he's safe.
Mama, what are you saying? Eh? Were you not the one that told me that this thing is slow poison? That I should be putting it, that he will be dying slowly? The stuff you gave me that was in the container now, I'll be putting it the way you told me to be putting it. Which one is that there's no... Mama,
My daughter, that
thing
I gave you.
What are you saying, Mama? You gave me stuff and you said the name is slow poison. That's not what you told me. I've been putting it the way you said I should put it.
This idea of my daughter wanting to kill her husband is something I cannot understand. I know my daughter very well. She likes to confide in me in everything she does. Each time I kick against her wish, she always goes outside for an assistance. This time, I will play along, but in a very harmless way. This is salt, but I will make her believe it's poison. I will take some time, go out and come back.
Mama, wait, you mean there was no poison in the...
At all.
There's no poison?
Yes.
I've not been poisoning him. My husband is okay.
He's very fine, he's sound. You see? This is why I told you to change your lifestyle and be submissive to your
I
husband.
will change.
You see it?
I will change. I will become a better person. I will be a very good wife.
You will change.
I swear I will change. Mama, please, I'm sorry. I don't even know why I was even listening to them in the first place. I don't know what came over me.
So you now love your husband?
I love him so much, so much. I love him so much, so much. Please. Mama, please, I'm sorry.
Oh, yeah, stop crying. Oh? Just go home. Take care of your husband. Love him so much. That man is a very good man. He can never harm you. Oh? Oh, yeah, go home, start going. Take care of him and take care of my granddaughter too. Oh?
Okay, Mama.
Stop crying, no. Oh?
You see, there's no poison.
Your husband is safe.
Okay. I'm not much of a single mom. Oh, baby, where are you? Where are you? Baby, baby, where are you? Where are you? Baby, I can see.
Each time I have this dream, especially by that odd time, it always comes to manifestation. I know what I'm telling you. I'm really bothered. I'm concerned.
This is revelation. Yeah, and I am happy you are gradually coming in terms with reality. I'm happy this is coming from you. Sincerely. See, I usually see Amanda and your husband in some odd places.
You what?
Will I be lying to you?
And you never told me all this.
Because I don't know how to say it. I don't want to cause issues in your marriage. But I was just looking for a proper time to, put things together and come up with something big and show you.
Wait. Are you by any chance trying to tell me that Amanda is sleeping with my husband?
Am I still dream? Of course I'm not. Amanda is giving it to him every day. And now this is a good time for you to take your husband out of the way completely. You don't need to relent. Take him out of the way now. Jennifer, I don't know if you're hearing what I'm saying.
Yes.
Say something then.
Listen, if I ever find out that Amanda is sleeping with my husband, oh God, I will pull out her kidney and her liver out from her body. The ribs, I will share it in different places.
Jennifer, I am telling you that your husband is sleeping with Amanda. How else do you want to find out?
No, babe, she dares not. I know what I'm telling you. Her soul will be on the parliament of the India. I'm telling you the gospel truth.
Your husband's soul, not Amanda.
I said Amanda's soul, of course.
No, your husband first.
No, it can't be.
They will take Amanda down. Both of us. But you have to strike. Your husband should go down first.
Oh, the gods of Hindu all the way from India should strike her dead wherever she is right now. Because if I catch her myself, she won't survive it.
Baby, I wanted to tell you that tomorrow is my birthday. So... Oh, your wife. Okay, alright, no problem. Tomorrow then. Good night. Alright. I know he won't tell the wife who called. But at least the wife would know that he is taking secret calls. The wife will start thinking that he is having an affair. And of course that is the idea. That way I will try to convince the wife that Amanda has been behind the secret calls that the husband has been taking all along, not knowing that I am in charge. And when she when she focuses on Amanda, I will have Chike all to myself. Take full control of him. Jennifer, I told you to kill your husband, but you think you can play a smart one on me. game has just begun. Let's see who wins.
What kind of human advised her friend to kill her husband?
The same human that advised her friend to kill her husband is now interested in the same man. Is that not witchcraft?
Are you funny? He must be a handsome man then.
Of course. Yeah, Chike is a handsome man. He's very caring. He's every woman's dream. The only problem Chike has is he's not a billionaire. But he's trying. He's trying.
Interesting. Please, I would like to meet this guy. In case the wife does not value what she has, then I'll take over.
Sorry. Did I hear you well? What did you say?
I said I would take over, so I will stop her from killing the husband. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes? Oh?
Am I right?
Yes. You're right. You're right.
Okay. So please, can I have his number if you don't mind?
Lucy, we're talking about my friend's husband here. What are you doing with his number? No, I can't give it to you. I don't want you to have him.
We'll see about that, Brenda. I'll give you a call when I'm back.
I don't understand. I told you today is my birthday and you couldn't even do anything. No single gifts, nothing.
Oh,
what?
Morin,
I get it. Your wife. Chike, why are you like this? Why are you so afraid of your wife? Why? Yes, because it's clear. Why? You married this woman into your home. Why are you scared of her? Morin, what? What do you want to say? Now tell me, what do you want to say? You see, I get it. You are so afraid of your wife, and I wonder why. You married her into your house with your money, so why the hell are you afraid of her? Why? Listen, Chike. I need you to give me this opportunity. Come close to me. Draw nearer. And watch me transform you into something else. Like I'm going to give you a lifestyle that you've never experienced. Chike, I am well grounded. I am well connected. Home and abroad. Name it. You know what? I am going to transfer the sum of 7 million naira to you just to prove to you that I am not bluffing. Is to give me your account and I will wire you the transfer. Oh, come here. And relax. Relax, okay?
Oh, Amanda. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. Please, sit down.
Oh, I don't understand. Did you just ask her to sit down? I don't get it. Chike, what is going on? You have a secretary. Your secretary is supposed to inform you that someone is here to see you.
Okay.
Knowing fully well that you are here on a business meeting with some other person.
Oh, well, that's my secretary's fault. I will caution her. Okay? Amanda, you're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
We are in the middle of something. Chike, we are talking about transaction here.
Amanda?
And if I may ask, Miss Morin, what exactly are you doing in your friend's husband's office?
And you want me to validate that question by answering you? You. I don't understand. Chike, do the needful, please. Ask this girl to leave this place.
Amanda?
Yes, sir.
Please wait at my secretary's office, okay?
I will wait. What's going on? What is she doing there? Is she not done?
Please, you need to calm down.
What's going on? Your boss will soon be done. Meaning something, they are doing something. Hi. Jennifer, nah.
Yeah. Okay, for real. Like the jacket is so comfy.
Thanks for taking the burden off my shoulders.
Yeah.
Amanda, Morin and I are stepping out. I'll be back soon, okay?
Come on, tell her the truth. You're Christian, right? Christians don't lie. Amanda, we're going out. We're going on a date. Let's go. Come on, let's go. It's nothing. It's nothing. Let's go, please.
I'll be right.
Christians don't lie. Come on, you shouldn't be naughty. Woo!
Asakwa gi follow mugu Iwansi onye nileni Yali ege amanye gi change yo Mama Asakwa gi follow mugu Iwansi onye nileni Yali ege amanye gi change yo
I mean, this is the second time I've done this. I mean, why don't like him? I have to find out what exactly is going on in that office.
There are wolves everywhere.
Hey, my best friend, Jennifer. How are you? Jennifer, see, I have a surprise for you. Yes, a big one. I need you to go to your husband's office. There is a very big surprise waiting for you there. Please, make it snappy. And I need you to go now. Right now, yeah. Good. Okay, my friend. Bye. Yeah.
Amanda, it's not what you think, okay?
Mr. Chike, why don't you come out straight and tell me you're having an affair with her? Listen, Morin is not who you think she is. She's a chameleon. She changes color.
Are those two really fighting over my boss? They better not try it.
Good afternoon, ma.
Yes, good afternoon. Is he in?
Yes, my boy is with you.
Never mind. Ma, and then what? No, what else? And then she's what else? She is what else? So, this is the reason why you've not been coming back home for lunch. Because of my friend. You have not been coming back for lunch. Don't you beg me, are you mad? Are you sick? Is something wrong with you in the head? Eh?
is everything okay?
Why did you ask? Get back to work, please.
Excuse me, sir. Sir. When he listens to others, why can't he listen to me? Why? Is it because I'm just his common secretary? What is this? I think I have to quit this job so I can profess my love to him. That's exactly.
Searching for a friendly face, searching for a pure sweet mind, searching for a friendly face. You can go there, desperate ladies, share your troubles with a heart on fire. Go there, chasing love, but it's a tight desire. Desperate ladies, with a heart on fire, with a heart on fire, chasing love, but it's a tight desire. Desperate ladies, fighting for love with a heart on fire. Heart is on fire, chasing love, but it's a tight desire. They are desperate ladies, with a heart on fire, with a heart on fire, chasing love, but it's a tight desire. This love is not yours. Why are you forcing it? This love is not yours. But desperation is written all over you. Desperate lady, fighting for what does not belong to you.
Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Well, good morning.
I'm sorry for the disturbance. I've been standing here for a while. I can't find any taxi. Can I join you, please, if you don't mind?
Where are you headed?
Eagle Square, sir.
Okay. I'm heading towards that direction too, so you can join me.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
They linger with all their might, their eyes scan.
He is handsome. Who knows if he will cooperate if I start up a conversation with him?
Searching for a friendly face. You can go there. Desperate ladies, share your troubles with a heart on fire. Go there, chasing love, but it's a tight desire. Desperate ladies, with a heart on fire, with a heart on fire, chasing love, but it's a tight desire. Desperate ladies, fighting for love.
What else will I say now?
Heart is on fire, chasing love, but it's a tight desire. They are desperate Desperate ladies, desperate ladies, with a heart on fire, with a heart on fire, chasing love, but it's a tight desire.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Okay.
So how was your night?
Oh, my night was splendid. Thank you very much. Yeah, so Messi. Have you sent the email I asked you to send to our last client?
Yes, sir.
You did that?
Yeah.
Okay, so have they replied yet?
I've not checked, sir.
Oh, really? Okay, please, I want you to check, okay? I need to know if they have replied that.
Okay, sir.
Alright. What's the problem? Are you okay?
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have news for you. I'm sorry, sir. I didn't mean to upset you. Oh, I've been nursing these feelings for you and I don't know how to say it. I didn't mean to upset you. I didn't mean to upset you, but I truly love you so much.
It's okay. It's a natural thing to love, alright? And thank you for letting me really love me. Thank you so much about that, okay? You have to return to your seat right now and continue what you're doing, okay?
Sir?
Yeah, you heard me right, I said. And continue from where you stopped. Go back to your job, okay? Now. Thank you.
He just said love is a natural thing. Eh? Was he not supposed to tell me he loves me too? I love you too. That's how it's supposed to be. Eh? This man is just looking down on me because I'm his secretary. But I'm going to resign this work. Excuse me, ma'am. Yes, please, he's very busy. You cannot see him. Pardon? I don't understand. I said you cannot see him. He's very busy until they go to your house.
Hey. What's this supposed to mean? I don't get it. That I can't see your boss.
What is difficult for you to understand? I said my boss is very busy. They go to your house.
My friend, come out and let him pass.
I said you cannot see him.
Are you okay? Hey. Oh my goodness.
What is happening here?
This is really the height of it. Can you imagine this low life looking fool?
Did you stop her from seeing me?
She was trying to force herself into your office and I stopped her.
You stopped her? And how did you stop her? By being rude to her?
By pushing me.
For real?
By pushing me.
Apologize to her now. Apologize to her!
I will rather resign than apologize to you. Okay? You're a lady like me. And you see that thing you're looking for. I'm also interested in it. I'd rather resign than this job because of it.
What is going on? What is going on? Chike, what is going on? You know what? You're resigning. Yes, you're quitting this job. You are sacked. That is the word. Calculate your remaining salary for the next 6 months and I'll pay you off. You are leaving now.
I love him too, okay? I know your mission in this office and I love him too. You think I'll remain his secretary for the rest of my life? Oh no, you lie. I am done with this rubbish job and I'll be back to claim what is rightfully mine. Okay? Rubbish.
What is going on?
I was thinking it's just Amanda that I'm supposed to be facing. What is this thing? What is this thing? Chiki, what is this thing? What is going on? Huh? Do you think I was bluffing when I told you I was going to be playing with them? Come on, I wasn't joking.
Morin, why are you doing this? What if my wife finds out?
Your wife? Who's your wife? Jennifer. Jennifer. Come on, you shouldn't be bringing up your wife in any conversation that we're having. Do you want me to tell you how your wife has been sleeping around with numerous men, sugar daddies, here and there? Do you want me to tell you? She has been dating.
Oh, Amanda.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine.
Why are you such an intruder, Amanda?
Are you shocked to see me? Oh, nice. I actually came, you know what? I'm going to tell Jennifer.
Please. Keep my wife off this, okay? Please. Okay?
Oh, why are you begging her? No, why are you begging her? No, at all. What do you know you want to say?
Mr. Chiki, I don't have any issue with you. But I need to clear my name from the allegation your wife labeled on me for doing nothing. I am innocent. Someone has been feeding your wife with a lot of information. The problem here is we need to find out who the person that informed your wife that I, Amanda, was here in your office that very day. And the person is no other than this fool, this Alekasek 7-up, this chameleon, sitting down here wearing pink. Forget she's wearing pink. Her heart is very dark. You are a devil. I know you're the one giving Jennifer all the information she has been getting, right?
Morin?
Don't tell me you're about to buy this rubbish that she just spilled right now. No, don't tell me you're listening to this frustrated fool that couldn't even find herself a boyfriend, not to talk of getting herself a man to marry. This frustrated, demented idiot. Are you going to believe this fool? Amanda, what is your problem? I want to get it. What is your problem with me? Because the fact is, I have taken over. I am in charge. Chike is mine, and there is absolutely nothing you can do about this.
Oh.
I know what is eating you up. But go and nurse yourself somewhere else. You don't need to bring your frustration into this office. This is an office for crying out loud. What is it?
Morin, look at the way you're sweating like Christmas goat. Jennifer must hear this, and she will know who the real husband snatcher is.
Amanda, you don't need to tell Jennifer this, okay? You don't need to say anything.
She has no proof. Allow her. What do you have to say?
Okay.
There is no proof.
Till then, we shall see.
Oh, please get out.
Amanda.
We shall see.
Amanda.
Allow her.
Amanda.
What is it? What is it? Why are you calling Amanda while I'm here? What is it?
Yes, Amanda, what is it? Here you are to see what exactly, you dumb. My friend, take your tacky self out of my phone.
I can see you still believe I'm dating your friend.
Well, if you're not dating or sleeping with my friend, why don't you prove me wrong? You proved me wrong. Serial cheat. You cheated. You disgusting ghost. Cheat for me.
10 million naira. She's so serious about this. Hello.
So wait, did you see the money I sent to you?
Why are you doing this? Why?
Come on, it's nothing, okay? More will still come. I just need you to relax. Relax and be with me. Like I told you, your wife is never gonna find out about us. Just relax. Meanwhile, can I ask you for a favor? So, I want us to go on a date.
What date are you talking about?
You know, just to get to spend some time with my baby. Please.
Please, I don't want this, okay? I just don't want this.
Why are you cutting the phone?
Hello? Was that not Jennifer's voice I heard?
Cut which phone?
But you just cut the phone now because you saw me coming in.
How do you mean cut?
I am
cut
very
which
sure that... No, don't even tell me that. I am very sure that bitch just called you, right?
Jennifer, why are you looking for unnecessary trouble?
Okay, now I'm looking for unnecessary trouble.
Of course you are.
Let me have the phone.
Have which phone?
Let me have your phone.
Have my phone for what? Is it yours? It's called a mobile phone for a reason.
Okay, now I cannot touch your phone again. I cannot touch your phone because you're sleeping with my stupid friend Amanda.
Please sleeping with your
friend. That's why that's why I cannot touch your phone anymore. And I'm going to you're going out because your conscience is dealing with you. But let me tell you something, you will be chilling with the sharks in that parlor when you go downstairs.
See how you're going to reject 10 million naira. Oh, poor Jennifer. You know we had a plan. Of course we had a plan. We had a plan. You and I agreed that you were going to kill your husband. All of a sudden you think you are too smart. You want to play a smart one on me. But now, I am going to do all it takes to have a husband all to myself. All to myself. Hey, Alhaji. Alhaji. Sorry, you say what? She hasn't called? What do you mean she hasn't called? Alhaji, I sent the message. Yes, she received it. She was so happy. Like, I'm actually very surprised that she didn't call you. Why? That's an ungrateful character. Yeah. Okay, Alhaji, please. Calm down, okay?
She's sure gonna call you. Once I drop this call now, I would speak to her. I'll speak senses into her. She'll call you, okay? Of course I know you love her. Of course she loves you too. Okay, Alaji. Alright now, yeah, I'll talk to her. No, sure, I will. Okay, bye. Soon Alaji will come at her with everything he has. And I will just be the side girl smiling and laughing. Oh, come here, baby.
There is no one here, but I'm sure this is the place. Let me wait for the secretary. Please, just love me back. I love you so much. I love you with all my heart.
Mercy, will you stop this nonsense?
No, I can't. It's driving me crazy. The feelings I have for you is driving me crazy. I had to quit my job because of the love I have for you, and I'm here. Just step back.
I'll take your hands off. Stand up, my friend.
Good afternoon, sir.
Hey, Lucy, how are you?
I'm fine. Mercy. Lucy.
Both of you know each other?
Yes, she's my friend. Mercy, please, can we see outside? What happened? Let's stay outside, please. What are you doing here? I should be the one asking the question. The man is my boss, the one I told you I quit my job for. That's not true. This is the same man I've been telling you about. Lucy, please. You said this man, I sacrificed my job because of him, okay? So just check somewhere else, okay? Mercy, I didn't know it was the same man that I fell in love with at first sight. Please, let me have him. I said no. I love this man so much. I'm not going to leave him for you, okay? I beg. No spoil show for me. What are you even talking about? Don't try it. What are you talking about? If I want my standing here talking to you. Yeah? I came here to see Mr. Chike and not you. So please excuse me. Mercy, excuse me. You're not going anywhere. And you're no longer... I was here before you. I am no longer needed here, Mercy. How dare you? How dare you?
What is going on here? Who are you and what are you guys doing here?
Tell this idiot to leave this place this minute. Oh, you're a fool if you think I'll let you go in there. Oh, God. Mercy, leave my way. You can't stop me, okay? Get out of this.
What is going on here?
Sir, I only went to get food and I came here and I found both of them fighting here in our office.
I'm so sorry. But she started it first. She slapped me because I told her how much I love you. Oh, you're lying! She's lying.
Okay, listen to me. I want both of you to get out of my office premises, okay?
Do not do this to me. You know how much I love you and I
said get out!
Sorry, please. Do not do this.
You want me to drag you out? Get out! What a nuisance. Can you imagine? You have the effrontery to come to my office and start chipping like naked birds that are about to migrate.
In the shadow of night,
Get back to work.
they linger with all their might. Their eyes scan, searching for a friendly face, searching for a pure sweet mind, searching for a friendly face. You can call them desperate ladies. Their troubles with their heart on fire.
Why is he not taking
Chasing love, but it's a tight desire. Desperate ladies, oh, yeah. With their heart on fire, with the heart on fire, chasing love, but it's a
Hey, stop.
Okay, please.
Stop it.
It's embarrassing me.
Embarrassing you? You're embarrassing yourself. Is it because of the 10 million? I'll refund you the 10 million.
No.
You're not simple.
Just relax, please.
So it is true. No, so it is true. It is true that you are the one that been sleeping with my husband, not even Amanda. So it is true.
Where is that coming from?
Are you mad? Are you crazy?
Did you just slap me?
Actually, who are you girls?
Hey!
One more nonsense now.
I will talk.
Oh, you will talk.
I will talk.
Talk it.
I will talk it. Talk it. Yes, your wife has been putting poison in your food. I was wondering, why does she want to kill an innocent man like this? A good man at that.
Hey.
Why? Why?
I've always known that you're such an evil friend.
Have you not been poisoning him?
Ah!
Say it with
So
your
this
mouth.
was your plan.
Have you not been poisoning him?
Flash, I have not been putting poison in my husband's food.
You have.
I have been deceiving you.
He's a lie.
Because I know you are an evil friend.
He's a lie.
You're a demon.
You're a demon.
I have not been
You're a
poisoning my
murderer.
husband. Why would I kill a man that loves me so much?
Very soon you will drop dead though.
Oh, hold her. Oh, really?
Hold her now.
So this is your plan. This is your plan. You are a very evil friend.
You are
See,
evil yourself.
My God will judge you.
You are evil
You think you
yourself.
can take my man away from me?
Yo, why do you want to kill this
test
man?
me to handle this man?
Why do you want to kill this
Do
man?
you think it's easy to handle a man with a coconut head?
Get out!
My friend, don't you dare in your life tell me that you're you sick at the
Hold
head?
your wife.
Are you mad?
Hold your wife.
There's nothing wrong with you.
Hold your wife.
You're talking to my husband.
Why your wife?
You're talking to my husband. Why your wife to my husband? See, why your wife? I will kill my husband. I will kill the both of you. I will kill the both of you. I will kill them. See.
Jennifer, I am going to so deal with you. Jennifer, you will regret this. No, it's a promise. You will regret this. Trust me. I don't bluff. Jennifer, you will regret this. I am going to get my pound of flesh. Hey. You mess with the wrong person. And as for you, Chike. Chike. Hey. By the time I am done with you both. Okay. It's fine. No, it's fine. It's fine. Okay, Jennifer. Jennifer, you humiliated me. Jennifer, you.
No. You mean you did not tell anything before you left the house? Maybe he was held up by something on the road. Oh, just calm down. I believe he will come back. Nothing happened. My daughter, can you relax? Relax now. Oh, nothing will happen to him, I believe that. So, oh, he's safe. I will call you later, oh?
That's your gate man. You were that acting ass. Looking like an Egyptian gay. Is that not Morin's car? What the hell are you doing in my house? I mean, it's the guts for me. The temerity. What are you doing in my house?
Are you surprised to see me?
Why should we have to you?
Hold your greetings. Just hold your greetings and give me back the 10 million naira I gave to you.
What 10 million naira are you talking about, please?
Don't pretend that you do not know that I sent you money through your friend Morin. 10 million naira!
What friend? Morin.
Okay, don't call me Morin. I sent him his 10 million naira. What is it now? I told you that I am tired of shielding you. I am tired of protecting you. If you know what is best for you, give him his 10 million naira in peace.
You know what, Morin? I have been trying so hard to just endure your disgusting attitude because I know you're a daughter of 1,000 fathers. Oh, but I swear, if you do not give Chief his money right now, you will not like me. Are you crazy?
Morin.
Chief, can you imagine?
Morin.
Tender. See, make I tell you, if you don't chop that money, you go vomit him this minute. You go vomit him this minute. Can you imagine? The money I sent to you, 10 million naira that I sent to you.
Morin, you're a part of a tongue.
Morin.
Send it back.
You're a part of a tongue. That's what you are. You're a part by mistake. Are you crazy?
Chief, arrest her.
You're a part of a tongue condom. Are you okay?
Are you okay?
John.
What's
What's going on here?
Let's go.
Mother, do you know him?
He's your father.
What?
My daughter?
Yes.
Is this some kind of an expensive cocktail joke or what? What kind of joke is this, mother?
It's not a joke. He's your father.
You mean Chief is your... Oh my goodness.
Jennifer. Jennifer!
Mother, you told me my father was dead long time ago, as at 1980 basis. He can't be my father, right?
Yes, I lied to you. I did.
She's serious, though.
Chief is your father.
Jennifer, listen to me. Your father left us. Yes. He joined politics. Changed his name, changed his tribe, changed his religion. Everything about him. So I had no choice.
Yes, I did. That was because my religion was hindering me of getting a crucial position in the party and also in the world as a whole. I had to change my name.
I don't even want to believe that this is happening to me. Because I can't even see any resemblance at all. Is it the eyes, the nose? Mother, are you sure this is my father? You need to look at him properly.
He's your father. Will I lie to you? He's your father.
Chico, you need to collect your money first. Let's go. Take your money. Let's go. That's the most important thing.
Baby.
You're here. Carry your money.
Baby.
Oh my goodness. Thank God he's safe.
According to the kidnappers, she was the one that paid them to kidnap me.
What? Myself, Chief? Chief, you
shut
did?
up, I'm talking.
You talking to me?
And you better keep quiet because there are evidences.
No.
Officer!
This is pure allegation.
Officer!
Yeah. You are advised to remain silent for whatever you say right here will be used against you in law. Hello, come on, come on. Good, come on. Hello.
Take her out of my house!
Look at what you
Take her
out!
I have a lawyer, but...
Take her out!
Morin.
Take her,
I
take her.
told you, right?
No!
Look at what jealousy has done to you.
Take that phone from her.
Yeah, give me the phone. Give me the phone.
You know what, Morin? Did you
Move it.
Make sure you lock her up for the rest of her life!
Move.
You should be chilling in the zoo with the monkeys!
Go.
You barbaric bastard! Hey, pregnant dinosaur!
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Stop being naughty.
It's just by the grace of God I came back alive.
Now you're welcome.
Thank you
You're
very
welcome,
much.
sir.
What are you still waiting for?
Who is this?
I don't know, my mother just told me that he's my father.
Your father?
I don't understand.
But you told me your father is late.
That's what she told me to.
She was right. Yes, because I left them in pursuit of my political career.
Very nice. Very beautiful.
Searching for a friendly face. You can go there. Desperate ladies, share your troubles with a heart on fire. Chasing love, but it's a tight desire. Desperate ladies, with a heart on fire, chasing love, but it's a tight desire. Desperate ladies, fighting for love with a heart on fire. Heart is on fire, chasing love, but it's a tight desire. They are desperate ladies, with a heart on fire. Chasing love, but it's a tight desire. This love is not yours. Why are you forcing it? This love is not yours. But desperation